Today we're gonna have a ball. We're gonna cook Arroz Con Pollo, and it's gonna be very authentic. We're gonna use fresh products that we picked out of local farm areas. El Arroz Con Pollo is a very authentic dish. What makes our food, to me, very authentic is the spices we use and sofrito. This is homemade sofrito, and it's made with fresh sweet peppers, onions, garlic, olive oil. We made a fresh shrimp salad. These are all Goya products, the fancy peppers and the olives. And here we're using the tostone chips. We have our mini chefs, starting with Charlie, and then we have Johnny and my son Juan. And today we're making fruit punch. Goya is one of our sponsors. Tomato sauce from the Goya. Some of our products here, like sazon, it's from the Goya. The Spanish olives that we all love in our rice and also for salads, this is from the Goya products. So almost everything I have on the table, including what I use to season our chicken, el adobo, these are all Goya, and the olive oil, of course. As you can see, my chicken is very seasoned right before I even start cooking it, okay? I even add a little bit more of sazon. I remember out in Puerto Rico, you know, my abuela used to make arroz con pollo. So today, definitely, we're bringing home here to the Science Museum to make sure that our kids and our families who come enjoy a really genuine dish with very authentic products.